Welcome. This is gonna be a series of videos that I'm posting. I feel like it's better to break them down into smaller sections. I'm gonna walk you through the steps I've used to make the eyes of Ryza. This video is still sped up a bit, but not like crazy, so you can follow a bit easier this time around. I'm gonna post the rest of the drawing fairly soon, so stay tuned. So to do some good eye coloring, first we paint the sclera, aka the white part, then the iris, then the pupils. Depending on your style, you can have different iris shapes and pupils. It's up to you to define them. I have colored the eyes a light brown and a dark brown. I'm also deleting the line art that was above. I'm using the line art as a guide to draw the pupils.
It's delicious.
I'm gonna proceed deleting the line art. I will delete the center as well and recolor them with the same dark brown. Then I've added a layer with Add Glow and then colored the lower part of the iris. I also added highlights on the toppest layer. And then I added a bit of a pink shadow to the sclera. The eye still felt a bit off. I'm also adding a bit more shadow to it. Blue highlights is to give the eyes a bit of reflection. It's not very noticeable, but it's there. Also played around with some brushes to create this sparkling effect. And also, while we are here, putting a bit of pink on those lips wouldn't be that bad. That's it, that's the ice. Nothing too fancy this time, but still makes an impact. Hope to see you around for the next one. Bye bye!